Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top best Checkra1n files 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Chimera. This is version 1.0.7, and now it's iOS 12 support, mic and GPS improvements. So it's iOS 14 indicator dots for iOS 12 and 13. Just tells you what's being used on top by the color of the dot. The next tweak is called YouTube Reborn. It's basically YouTube plus alternative. It's a YouTube customizer to support the latest version of the YouTube app as I'm making this video. Next week is called Stripe Count. For Zebra, see the number of installed packages at a glance. So, tested with Zebra version 1.1.10. Next week is called Message Swap, MSG Swap, and a more accessible way to send photos in iMessage. So that's the camera button functionality. Simply long press on the photo cell. So there's no option to configure, it just works. Next week is called Translo, and basically, this tweak's a lifesaver translate tweak. It makes it easier for you to translate, text when when you're speaking to somebody. You can easily translate that text. So now it supports 3 translation services. It supports Google, DeepL, and Yandex. So there's all the apps right here it supports. So it does work on iOS 12, 13, and 14, and the best part is it's free. Next tweak is called Video Swipes. So basically, swipe gestures for video player, a native YouTube Facebook. So, tweak that adds swipe gestures to the stock iOS video player. Also has support for YouTube player. It allows you to rewind, forward the video, change volume, change brightness, and toggle play pause. All of its convenient gestures. So you swipe up, left, right, depending on what you're swiping. Is depending on what it does. You swipe left or right, it rewinds for the video 15 seconds. Swipe up and down of the screen, decrease the volume. Swipe up, down, also the right of the screen, decreases brightness. So it just makes it a lot easier to, watching a video to, make the volume go up, make the volume go down, turn the brightness up or down. So it's pretty convenient, but not really a tweak you need. You can also just use your control center, but it makes it more convenient using this. This is called GPS Faker Expert, or GPS Faker GPS. It basically is a tweak that allows you to change your location for your apps and games. Supports iOS 7.1.1 up to 14.2, so you change your location. Next tweak is called IG Kill Autoplay. Save your data while disable autoplay on your screen map, but you must tap on video to play it. Next tweak is called Volume Step 13. Change the volume step limits. Compared with iOS 13 and 14. Customize the volume up, down steps. Configure options from, this is really distracting. Configure options from settings, known bug. So pretty cool. This week is called Theos Auto Installer. Theos Auto Installer Unc0ver, Checkra1n Audacity for developers. Odyssey. Install Theos and stuff everything you need with one single command, which iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14 with the Unc0ver, Checkra1n Odyssey jailbreaks. Supports coming from these right here. M-terminal only. Don't use new term as it crashes. So usage TAI. Will download and install Theos and SDKS files if that's not already. TAIR will download and reinstall Theos and install and all the required SDKS files. So TAIU will install Theos and SDKS files, and TAIS will download SDKS only. So pretty cool. This tweak is called Rhino. It's the first Instagram tweak that can save live videos and view unsent messages as a tweet settings on the settings page. So it's basically an Instagram plus alternative. You have user features, story features, pro features, so pretty cool. The next tweak is called UC Flag, and you can't really read it, I apologize, but yep. Next tweak is called UC Step, also another tweak I can't read, apologize. See, if we had Translo, you could probably get this to work. You could probably translate it. Next tweak is called Jarvis, just got updated version 1.1. It's a powerful multi-center. So what it does, it places notification center and a control center in one place for easy access, and much more. So it includes several modules that can be reordered from the Jarvis view itself. Just long press any toggle module and reorder with ease. So it supports all Jailbreak devices running iOS 13 and 14. It's not made for the iPad. So the control center offers or features toggles include these toggles: schedule test messages, appearance, gestures, tweak list, source list, manage clipboard, app launcher, tweak support, preferences. So it supports iOS 13, 14.2, and is $3. And the last tweak is called Phosphor Tools. Well, it's not the last tweak yet. One more tweak out of this. It's a helper tool for the Phosphor tweets. And the last tweak, tweets, is actually auto touch, and also the other one is auto touch with input text. So basically they both do the same thing. That doesn't really matter. One has input text, one doesn't, but I don't even know how to even use input text. But yeah, so it's just auto touch and records and playback touch operations, play macro scripts automatically. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.